Where can I find realistic clinical environments for USMLE Step to CS practice? Imagine walking into a setting that feels just like a real hospital or clinic, ready to test your clinical skills. That's what you're after when practicing for the USMLE Step to Clinical Skills exam. Since the exam was officially discontinued in 2021, you won't find a national testing center anymore. But don't worry, you can still get excellent practice in environments that closely mimic real clinical encounters. Most of your practice will happen during your medical school clinical rotations. These are the core parts of your education where you work directly with patients in hospitals, outpatient clinics, and community health centers. During these rotations, you'll take histories, perform physical exams, and communicate with real patients under supervision. This hands-on experience is the best way to develop the skills needed for clinical exams. Many medical schools also have dedicated clinical skills centers or simulation labs. These facilities often use trained actors, called standardized patients, to portray different medical cases. These actors are trained to simulate real patient interactions, so you can practice history-taking and communication skills in a controlled setting. Some centers also have high-fidelity mannequins that can simulate vital signs and physical findings. These simulation labs are designed to replicate real clinical environments and often include video recording so you can review your performance later. Some schools have integrated internal assessments similar to the old Step to CS exam, called Objective Structured Clinical Examinations or OSCEs. These exams use standardized patients in realistic settings to test your clinical skills, communication, and physical exam techniques. These internal exams are often scheduled before graduation and are designed to ensure you meet the necessary competency standards. If you want extra practice outside your school, there are commercial courses and workshops that offer simulated clinical encounters. These programs usually include sessions with standardized patients and focus on honing your communication and clinical reasoning skills. They often take place in facilities that resemble real clinical environments and can be a great way to prepare for the exam. In summary, the best places to find realistic clinical environments for practicing the skills tested on the USMLE Step to Clinical Skills exam are your medical school clinical rotations, institutional simulation centers with standardized patients, internal OSCEs, and external prep courses. These settings give you the chance to develop the practical skills needed to succeed in clinical encounters and feel confident in your abilities.